Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Flo, and today we're doing a makeup tutorial using some super crazy blue eyeshadows. That's right, I'm using the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I did a hello eye, so if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. But I wanted to show you a couple of things I got for Christmas. I got this Smith face brush set. This is the first time I ever owned any expensive high-end makeup brushes, so I'm very excited. You can blame Jamie Genevieve for this because she uses them all the time. Here I'm showing you my favorite Real Technique cosmetic brush that I use for my face. I can't wait to use these new ones. I won't be using them in this video because, you know, I had already started, so whatever, next time. I also got these Bite Beauty little pencil lip situation. What do you call these? But I was shook by how pigmented they were. They had a very, I think the red one had a questionable name, if you know what I mean. Like, I did not want to say it out loud. I was like, is this offensive? Yeah, it was that bad. But anyway, I didn't use this. I didn't use these either on the video. I'm sorry, but next time, okay? Not gonna lie, I was a little nervous about this blue eyeshadow situation. The look I did before this was trash. Horrible. Not that the shadows are bad, it's just my technique. I am trying to get better at eyeshadow because I really like making videos, so I need to get better at this eyeshadow thing, okay? And I'm gonna do it. I hope you know, bear with me and keep on watching. So yeah, like I said, I'm doing a hello eye. You'll see me doing a lot of blending. I'm starting with the inner corner, and the eyeshadow for this one is Blue Monday. It's the brightest electric blue there is. I'll put a picture up. And I'm putting that in the inner corner and the outer corner. We're also creating a little bridge to connect the two. And I am making kind of a winged out blending situation. This way it will elongate my eyes and pull them up. You know, we like that look. I am watching YouTube in the back on that TV. I hope you don't mind. I just needed some background noise. Or else all you hear is my husband playing video games like the last video. Yeah, that was... I told him he needs to stop, okay? Like, this is my time. Give me an hour to do this, okay? I am using concealer here and there to clean up my mistakes. I don't have any foundation on yet because I knew it was gonna be a mess. But it wasn't that much of a mess. There wasn't a lot of fallout. Maybe the glitter had a fallout, but you'll see. Yeah, this one is Ocean Eyes. It's the pressed pigment in the palette, I believe, and the darkest blue there is. So I put that with my fingertip, and then I went over it with a flat brush to kind of blend it in a little more so it's not so chunky. And then I went in with the highlight, which will make the halo eye, in the color Cullinan. That's the white one in the palette. Very iridescent, very bright, and I'm using it also in the brow bone and on the tear ducts inner corners. I'm now using Minty. It's like a pale blue minty color, just to blend out the shadow, the outer corners. I always use this e.l.f. liquid liner. It's one of my favorites because I like the applicator. I can't do felt tip. I tried. I don't know what it is about it, but so yeah, I am using concealer all over my face. This is like the hydrating one from e.l.f., which is, you know, it's alright. It gives me the coverage I need, so I just put it all over my face. And with an oldie but a goodie, this is the Wet n Wild duo. It has the bronzer and the setting like banana powder. I like this one because the bronzer is very cool tone, and now they make it very warm. So I'm not sure why they got rid of it or why they changed it. They should have just like made another one, you know what I mean? Like, why you replace it? And just when you thought I forgot about my lower lashes, we are putting on some eyeshadows there for sure. This one I believe is Deceased, and I'm also putting on I'm Cold to blend it out. You need this essence powder, okay? Just buy it. It's like $4, I think, or cheaper, honestly. ColourPop has great liners. I have this one and a brown one. And if you watch my last video, you know those lashes are insane. I got them from AliExpress. I did not think they'd be that huge, but you know, they're the Instagram lash, so they look great for video and photo. In person, I don't know. But you do you, you know. I would wear these out. I just don't like the attention, okay? Don't forget your bottom lashes. And this is the one I used in my last video as well. Is this Anastasia Beverly Hills loose powder I got from Marshall's. And this one's in Snowflake. It's very cute, very bright. I just put it all over my face, to be honest. For my lips, I am using the NYX lip liner. I always use them. I have a lot of them. This one's in natural. I like to line my lips and then smudge it with my finger to soften it out. I'm gonna use, oh, it's a gloss. Never mind. Well, so is this. This Wet n Wild lipstick, I'm sure you know what I mean if you tried it. It's very thick, like it's super dry. The color is cute though. Venus lip gloss. And that's about it for this look, you guys. Sorry about the voiceover, but I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, or leave me a comment, honestly, please. Thank you. Bye.